Here I have HAIER V5 and let me show you how to insert here the micro SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Here you can find the slot for your cards. Let me open the slot by using some kind of the special eject tool or simply the paper pin. Let's just press it right here to open the slot. Here you can remove the whole slot from your device and let's insert here the micro SD card. In that slot you can use micro SD card, but what's also really interesting, you can use the slot for Nano SIM card. All you need to do is just put the Nano SIM card in that position and now you can use the dual SIM slot. But in my case, let me insert here the memory card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position and now let's insert the micro SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card right here. And now let's put the whole thing into your device. Let me do it really gently. Let me repair my card. All right. Let's put it to the end and now let's simply press the power key to switch on the HAIER V5. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, let's unlock the screen. Here let me find the settings. As you can see, my language switched according to my SIM card, so let me here switch language to my English version right here. Language is English. Alright, now let me check out if my card's working properly. So let's here find and select settings, choose here all, let's select here SIM cards. As you can see, the device is reading the SIM card. You can also here go back, choose storage, and here you've got information about your SD card. So everything went well, both cards work properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.